Hey guys, Troy here, and here I am, up about 8 o'clock, working on a YouTube video right now. I have a new puzzle box, but it's not the same as my other puzzle boxes. The prize is, let's just say, is a little bit different. So, without further ado, let's get on to it. Oh no. My poor Troy sign failed. Let's just get this more out of the way. And ta-da! Oh, it's a little too close. So this is my minifigure puzzle box. Yes, the prize is a minifigure with an accessory. It's on a 6x8 base. I have no idea how much studs high. So yeah, pretty basic. Doesn't look that hard, but it's got a few interesting kicks to it. So, shall we get solving? Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do is going to take this thing and just press it through. See if you can just take it out. Put that aside. And then you're going to press right in here. And it'll go through. This will come out. And here's part of the minifigure. So I guess we'll just set that off to the side. You can close this again if you want. Doesn't really do much good, but oh well. Oops. So then next thing you're going to do is take this black pin out. It's easier just to take the bricks, the axle bricks off. And then you're going to see where you're going to put it. You're going to put it right in here, right where the axle is. And then you're going to take this axle, then just set them down for now. And slide that out, and here's another part. So go ahead and shut that. So you're basically near the end right now. You can't really tell where to press in though. This looks like a spot, but no. Hang on, guys. Sorry about that. So you're trying to find this other spot to press in. It's right here. Just press that. This piece will come out. And it should come out. Yeah. There we go. This piece is kinda loose, just on a 1x1 stud. Actually, two 1x1 studs. And then you're really wondering what the heck is going on. Next thing you're going to do is shake. Then you should be able to... You can hear the rattling minifigure in there. Then you're going to take this piece out. Looks like this. Just set that off to the side. This will come out now, because the way it is made just basically is this, and these side bricks keep it from moving, so yeah. And then finally, eventually your minifigure will come out. Now to fully assemble it, all you really have to do is take your other prizes and just basically do that with him. And Screw it, just... And there is my minifigure puzzle box, and here is your prize. The original look of this guy is quite interesting. The original look of this guy, I actually like, how it was designed and stuff. I made it, so of course I like it, so... Yeah, but anyway, this guy relies heavily on the Nexo Clay's Rumble ship or something like that. Oh no. Yeah, but this guy looks really cool with my modifications onto it. He looks kind of like that. So yeah, nothing too special about him. I think it's a pretty special puzzle box. If you want instructions, I'd be glad to do some for you. Just leave that in the comments below. Feel free to like, or if you think that's not good enough, feel free to subscribe. I'll be making a whole bunch of more puzzle boxes and Lego Transformers, hopefully Lego Transformers, in the future. So yeah, see you guys later.